Digital scanning technology has been around since 1984, but it has witnessed minimal improvements until now. Hey guys, CZUR ET here. In this video, we'll be looking at the CZUR ET24 Pro. The CZUR ET24 Pro is easily one of the fastest high-accuracy digital scanners available. With the CZUR scanner, you can scan large amounts of paperwork in a short time. For example, a 300-page book in 10 minutes. It is that fast. But before we get to that, what's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find a starter guide, a software download instruction manual, a disc, a power supply adapter, a USB cable, a set of finger cords, a foot pedal, a hand button, a black mat for placing documents to be scanned, a detachable two-sided supplementary light for illumination and reflection cancellation, and finally, a smart scanner. The CZUR ET series scanner is a professional book scanner with 3 variants. As you probably already know by now, what we have here with us is the CZUR ET24 Pro. The CZUR ET24 Pro weighs 1.5 kg, is plastic, and its dimensions are as stated. At the curved edge of this scanner is a triple beam laser sensor capable of flattening scanned documents for curved books. And close to the sensor, you will find 10 LED headlights and a 24 megapixel HD camera with 5696 by 4772 pixel resolution. Behind the scanner base, you will find a HDMI port, a Wi-Fi reset button, a USB port to which you can either connect the hand button or foot pedal, a USB PC port to connect your PC, of course, a DC port for the power adapter, and an on-off switch. At the top of the base of the scanner are 4 function buttons for adjusting LED brightness, zooming in, out, and scanning. At the top of the scanner's head, there is a TFT display for previewing documents to be scanned, followed by a power, scan, and Wi-Fi indicator. The CZUR ET24 Pro specs and features include 24 megapixel HD camera with 24-bit color depth, 4-level adjustable brightness, 320 dpi optical resolution, scan size up to A3, auto tilt correction, finger removal, page splitting, curve detection and flattening, anti-reflection using the side lights, built-in RB on-screen character recognition in 180 languages, multi-material compatibility, Windows, Mac and Linux compatibility, a CZUR image processing software with multiple supported formats, HDMI support for visual presentation at 920x1080p and 20 frames per second, screen projection at various resolutions and refresh rates, and scanning can be initiated by pushing the foot pedal, the hand, scanner or software button, and through page turn detection. Setting up the CZUR scanner can be really easy. Start by placing the black mat, then connect the scanner. Make sure it fits into the cutout on the black mat. You can also attach the side lights at the back. It fits in very conveniently. After unboxing the other components, you can see the power adapter, the hand button, the leg pedal, and some finger cords for holding documents in place. The hand button and the leg pedal typically do the same thing. Initiate the scan. However, you can only connect and use one at a time, depending on which one you would rather use. Next, plug in the power adapter, then plug in the USB PC cable and connect your PC. Surprisingly, the CZUR ET24 Pro doesn't come with a HDMI cable. So if you need to make use of the HDMI port, then you will have to make provision for that by yourself. Next, power on the scanner. Make sure your sockets are powered on too. You can turn on the side lights by hitting the power button at the back of the side lights. As excited as I am about the ET24 Pro, I must admit, there are some few concerns you should take note of. Firstly, it doesn't have a battery, so you can't take it camping in the wild. It lacks networking and wireless connectivity support for handheld devices. It doesn't come with a HDMI cable, and it is a bit expensive. However, the CZUR ET24 Pro is a must-have if you want to scan many documents in record time and with relative ease. Let us know what you think in the comment section below. Like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.